All the odd numbers are done. Now, while we are talking about the even numbers, guys, even numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. Odd numbers, we can do it directly with this one. Even numbers, we have one extra concept, and the same concept of odd numbers is also odd numbers is also required here. Getting it? Odd numbers can be solved directly, and even numbers can be solved in a faster way also. Getting it? There is a super trick for even number. Guys, please concentrate on this. So while we are talking about even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, if I'm talking about even number, first I'll go with the numbers ending with 2. Just 2, guys. I'm just talking about powers of 2. So till now we have taken the frequency of 4 for odd numbers, right? For 3 we had 3 power 4, 7 we had 7 to the power 4, 9 we had powers of 2, right? Frequency for 3 and 7 was it was 4, and frequency for 7 was 2. Now we are talking about even number. For even number we have a frequency of 10, guys. For even number we have a frequency of 10. Okay. So first I'll explain the concept for 2 to the power n. Just 2 to the power n. I'm not talking about 2-digit number. I'm just talking about 2 to the power n. Unit-digit number over here. Okay, what happens to the 2-digit number when we have a number 2 to the power n? Okay. So I have told the frequency of this is 10. So it means like we need to know the powers of 2 up to 10. So I know that 2 power 10 is 1024. This 2 to the power 10 is 1024. This is nothing but number of kbs in MB, guys. Number of kb in 1 MB. That is nothing but 1024 kb, right? Or number of MB in GB. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. That's an easy thing you can remember. Okay. Now how to understand this? Okay. So 2 power 1 we know is 2. 2 square is 4. These are very simple thing. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. These are very easy number. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 8 is 256. 2 power 9 is 512. And 2 power 10 is 1024. Now, if I want 2 power 8, we should not go from the beginning, right? 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. We need to have some reference number, like how we have used the reference number in cube roots, guys. So that reference number is required. So what I'll do is I'll take two reference number for 2 power 5 and 2 power 6. So 2 power 5, how to remember this? 2 power 5 is nothing but 3 plus 2, 5, that is 32. Got it? 2 power 5, just look at the numbers 3 and 2. It is going to end with sum is 5 here. 2 power 5 is 3 plus 2, 5. And 2 power 6 starts with 6. That is nothing but 64. You can take these two as a reference number. If they are going to ask what is 2 power 8, we know 2 power 6 is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 8 will be 256. We can do it faster. Clear, guys? This is how you need to understand shortest methods here. Clear? You should not, if they are going to ask 2 power 9 or 2 power 7, you should not start from the beginning. That will waste our like 10 to 15 seconds over there. So until then, we can directly solve the problems, right? Okay. Now we are done. We know what is 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is 1024. Now the actual game comes into picture here. Okay. Now 2 power 10 is 1024, or I can tell 2 to the power 10 ends with last two digit is 24. Now what about 2 power 20? It ends with 76. 2 power 20 ends with 76. Now these are the two numbers that plays a very important role while talking about even number guys. 24 and 76. Because while talking about numbers, so let us assume like when we have a frequency of 10, there might be a number left out is 2 power 8, 2 power 7. We need to multiply it with 2 power 8 and 2 power 7 also, right? We need to multiply it with 2 power 6 also. So there might be some case where we need to multiply 76 into 32, we need to multiply 76 into 128, we need to multiply 76 into 8, and we have to get the number. But here that is not required. Just understand the shortest thing. Okay. So 2 power 10 is 24, 2 power 20 is 76, and again 2 power 30 ends with 24, and 2 power 40 ends with 76. So I'll just make a note of it. 2 power 10 to the power odd ends with 24, and 2 power 10 to the power even ends with 76. I have written the exact example or condition below the actual thing. Okay. 2 power 10 to the power odd is nothing but 2 power 10, 2 power 30, 2 power 50. All the numbers will end with 24. And while talking about 2 power 20, 2 power 40, 2 power 60, all the number ends with 76. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Now what happens with the other number? Clear. Now I'll take one simple example for this side. We'll take example in two formats. One is even and odd. Okay. Now what is 2 to the power 746? 2 to the power 746. So what I have to do first, I have to convert this in terms of frequency of 10. 2 to the power 10 to the power 74 into 2 to the power 6, right? 746 is nothing but 2 to the power 740 into 2 to the power 6, guys. Frequency of 10. So I'll take 2 to the power 10 to the power 74 and 2 to the power 6. Is it clear? Okay. What is 2 to the power 10 to the power even number? Can I tell it is 76? Because we already know 2 to the power 10 to the power even number is 7 ending with 76. 76 into 2 power 6. What is 2 power 6? 2 power 6 starts with 6. That is nothing but 64. So I have to write what is 76 into 64. What is it, guys? Yes, answer is 64. Now look at the beauty about this 76. 76 into 64 is 64. 76 into 28 is 28. 76 into 32 ends with 32. 76 into 16 ends with 16. 76 into 12 ends with 12. 76 into 56 ends with 56. 76 into 24 ends with 24. 76 into 48 ends with 48. 76 into 4 ends with 4. Now, guys, how is it possible? It's not like 76 into any number is the same number. It's like 76 into x is not equal to x. But 76 into x, whichever comes in this concept. Getting it, guys? This is the shortest thing, or I can tell like fast trick here. Getting it? 76 into any number which comes into this concept is the same number. Which comes in this concept. Or I can tell like 76 into any powers of 2 is the same power of 2. Here, guys, 76 into, look here, the numbers whichever I have told 64, 28, 32, 16, 8, 56, 12. All the numbers are those numbers which has a powers of 2. These are those numbers when you multiply with the powers of 2, you will get the same number. Getting it? 76 into 64 is 64. 76 into 28. 28 talks about 2 power 7. Yes, that is also 28. 76 into 56, that is 2 power 8. Right? Ends with 56. 76 into 16, that is nothing but 2 power 4. Ends with 16. Getting it? It's faster. Right? I'll give one biggest shortcut, guys. Not without actually splitting it. Okay. This will hardly take like 5 to 10 seconds to solve, guys. Now I'll let you know how to answer it within 1 second, guys. Okay. Before that, I'll go to odd here. So I'll go with 2 to the power 373. So if I'm going to split this, I can tell 2 into 370 into 2 to the power 3. So if I'm talking about this, 2 to the power 10 into 37 multiplied by 2 power 3. So what is this? 10 to the power odd. Can I tell it is 24 into 8? What is the number, guys, now? Yes, it is 92. Now, is there any shortcut for this? Is there any shortcut, guys? Yes, good. What? Can I do 24 into 28 gives 72? 24 into 56 gives. It's not only complement of 8. Yes, complement of 8 in terms of 100. 24 into 56 gives 44. 24 into 12 gives 88. 24 into 32 gives 68. 24 into 16 gives 84. Getting it? So whenever we are going to multiply any two-digit number, that is 76, with any powers of 2, we'll get the number, actual number. And whenever we are going to multiply 24 with any powers of 2, we'll not get the actual number, but we'll get the complement of the number with respect to 100. So it means if you're going to multiply 8 to it, subtract 8 from 100. That is the answer. 24 into 8 is nothing but 100 minus 8, 92. 24 into 56 is nothing but 100 minus 56, that is 44. 24 into 12, that is nothing but 88. 24 into 32, it is nothing but 68. 24 into 16 is nothing but 84. You getting it, guys? Is it clear? This is how we can solve the numbers in a faster way. We need to find out the trick in each and every step, guys. Now look here, this is as I've already told in the previous section, like this is not the fastest thing, right? This will even take like 10 to 15 seconds. Now I'll let you know how to tackle this. 2 to the power, guys, please understand it clearly, okay? 2 to the power 373. This is the same number, right? I'll write the answer here itself. 2 to the power 746. Now here you have to focus on two numbers. One is tens digit and other one is unit digit. One is tens digit and other one is unit digit. If the power of the tens digit is the power in the tens digit, if this is even, then I'll write the answer directly as 2 power 6. I can tell the answer is 64. Is it faster, guys? It will hardly take 2 seconds to answer, right? Complete thing, complete power of 2. If the tens digit is even, write the last power, 2 power 6 or 2 power 8 or whatever it is. So I'll take some more example. 2 to the power 247. This is even. So what is 2 power 7? 2 power 7 is 128. I can tell the last two digit is 28. You're getting the speed, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? This is when the powers is even. Now I'll look at the number when the powers is odd. Now look here, the tens digit position is odd here. So when we have odd, take out the power here, 2 power 3, and take the complement of it. 2 power 3 is 8, 8 complement is 92. We can solve it in just 2 seconds, guys. Getting it? I'll take one more example, 2 to the power 476. Now look here, the tens digit is odd. So what is 2 power 6? 2 power 6 is 64. Take the complement of 64. Answer is 36. Yes, good kid. The answer is 36. Clear, guys? Now we are done with powers of 2. Okay. Now next, we'll go with powers of 4. Guys, if you have any numbers in terms of powers of 4, this is nothing but 2 square, guys. This is nothing but 2 square. 2 square is nothing but the same concept with extra power of 2. That's a simple thing again. Then I don't think like we need to discuss about powers of 4 once again. Here, because powers of 4 talks about 2 square to the power of the bigger number. So we have to take the frequency of 10. Clear? So if I'm talking about 6, 6 is nothing but product of 2 into 3. So this is nothing but 2 to the power that number and 3 to the power the other number. It is nothing but taking off 2 to the power of the bigger number and 3 to the power of this thing. So here we are going to use this 2 power concept, and here we are going to use the number ending with 3. Is it clear? I'll take one simple example, guys. So I'll take 46 to the power 74. Okay. So I can write this 46 as 2 into 23 to the power 74. Right, guys? Any even number, whichever you are going to get it, if you remove 2's from it or remove 4 or remove powers of 2 from it, you will get it as odd number. Already we know how to tackle odd numbers. So just split it, convert it in terms of normal powers of 2 and the odd numbers. So 2 into 23 to the power 73. So I can tell 2 to the power 73 here and 23 to the power 73. What is 2 power 73, guys? This is an odd number. So if this is odd number, we have to take the complement of 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8. Complement of 2 power 3 is 92. So we are done with this. It's a very simple thing, right? Next, multiplied by 23. How to convert this? 23 to the power 4 to the power 73. Sorry, not 73. It is like 16 times is 64, 68 and 72. It is 18 times multiplied by 23. Right? How to multiply 23 to the power 4? How to take 23 to the power 4? 23 square is 529. So 29 again is talking about 41. 29 square is 41. So I can tell 41 to the power 18. Here it is 92 and here it is 23. So I can tell 92 into 41 to the power 18. 1 ends with 1 itself. 4, 8 times is 32 into 21 into 23. Now keep on solving this, guys. So we have 20. We'll take 21 into 23 or 92 into 21. That will be a smaller number. 92 into 21. So 2 1 times is 2. 2 2 times is 4 and 9 1 times is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. So I can tell this product is 32. So this product is done, 32. So we need to multiply 32 into 23 now, last number. So I'll take 2 3 times is 6, last digit. 2 2 times is 4 and 3 3 times is 9. Again it is 3. The answer is 36. Yes, Pratyush, the answer is 36. Case now, good. Answer is 36. Is it clear, guys? So whatever the even number you are going to get, convert that even number in terms of powers of 2 and the odd number. So odd number we already know how to tackle. Even number I have already shown you how to tackle within 2 seconds here. So if I'm talking about the last even number, that is 8. 8 is nothing but powers of 3, guys. That's a simple thing. Whatever the even number you are going to get, convert it in terms of powers of 2 and the odd number. Odd number do it sidewise and even number you can take it like click it on a click, right? Is it clear, guys? This is how you can tackle this tens digit position as well as even unit digit position in a faster way. Is it clear, guys? Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ping me. So I'll clarify those doubts, or you can ask doubts in the next session, first 10 to 15 minutes. So this is what I was talking about, unit digit position and tens digit position. Please recall this concept at least for twice or 2 times or 3 times so that you can solve it in a very faster way. So guys, if you are going to implement this concept here, it will hardly take you guys what I can say. It will hardly take some 15 to 20 seconds. For unit digit position, it will hardly take 5 seconds to answer. And when talking about tens digit position, if you are very fast or if you have practiced well here, then you can easily answer it within 30 to 40 seconds. Guys. Whatever. Okay, guys, any other doubts? Please recall this concept. If you have any doubts, you can ping me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.